Today, we're breaking down a pretty wild pitch to solve the housing crisis. One Lake Drive.
So this whole thing started with a personal disaster, one that completely shattered the illusion of safety.
And that event, well, it revealed just how fragile modern American life really is. Turns out, our homes are super vulnerable, physically and financially. The systems actually isolate us. Okay, so let's zoom out and look at the systemic failure behind our housing supply.
Yeah, the data shows we're facing a huge and rapidly growing problem.
Just look at Delaware. They're projecting a 45,000 unit shortage by 2030 alone.
And our usual fixes? You know, suburban sprawl or soulless high-rises, they just aren't cutting it.
They fail because they're based on what's called the devil regime, basically burning the future for today.
So what if we just engineered a totally new kind of housing from the ground up? The answer they're proposing is this idea of dignified density. It's a whole new way to live.
So check this out. This is the prototype, a 25/6 unit vertical village on just 1 acre.
They call it civilizational insurance in the form of real estate. It's totally self-sufficient.
But the building itself? That's only half the story. The community is run by a unique AI.
Now, most smart cities are really just surveillance machines. This is designed as a privacy engine.
It's called LOTUSMD. You can think of it as an ethical AI, or even a digital chaplain.
It uses the God equation to make sure the community generates more life than it consumes.
Of course, a vision this big needs a solid business model to actually happen, right?
And thanks to some pretty smart industrial efficiency, the numbers here are really strong.
We're talking an impressive 61% gross margin, which allows them to create affordable equity.
So the plan is a $7 million seed round for the first one, then a huge national rollout.
And here's the main point. This isn't just about building houses. It's about building modern-day arcs.
It's this blend of capital and creation, all built on a really powerful philosophy. Which leaves you with the big question, is this the future of housing or a lifeboat for humanity?